Every day is a different situation. Kami, yun lang sa amin. Yung lagi sinasabi ko sa mga bata, every practice, kailangan mag-improve tayo, chemistry-wise, tsaka yung system-wise, kailangan maiayos namin. Coming NCAA season, like what I said a while ago, yung pagiging matured ng team, madidevelop namin every game. So, yun yung wish ko lang na hanggang dulo, pagdating ng dulo, maging maayos yung tinatakbo namin. At the same time, everybody healthy. Para pagdating sa huli, is healthy lahat ng mga players. Walang may injuries. So, yun lang. New coach. So, parang kumbaga, we will take it one game at a time. Then, I'm sure naman all the teams are very strong and very competitive. Sa akin is wala kaming hinahanap kundi every game mas lalo kami mag-mature and mag-improve every game. So, every teams na makaharap namin, we will respect them. And every game naman na linalaro namin, we always respect our opponent. So, this year, yun lang, paghihirapan namin, this will be our, top season because we have a lot of veterans na nawala. But I'm sure our new guys will battle all the way. Kasi yun yung character ng team. Lalaban